In this video, we will be going over the Werx Tool Kit. Using the tools as described in the video will help avoid damaging the device or hurting yourself. Using tools not included in the Werx Tool Kit can cause damage to the device. In the first area, we have the retractable blade, which is used for cutting adhesive. The blade is very sharp, so use caution to avoid damaging any components. Next, we have two thinner plastic opening tools used for prying displays and disconnecting flex cables. These can be used in harder to reach places. There are also two orange pry tools with a wider end used for prying or disconnecting wider cables. These can be used to release the rear housing clips safely on a Galaxy S4. Next, we have three sets of tweezers, one curved and two straight. The curved tweezers are to lift screws out of hard-to-reach places. Use these with caution due to the sharp point. Now we have the straight round-tip tweezers. These can be used in sensitive areas. They can be used to lift adhesive when cleaning a device's frame. And finally, we have the straight, sharp tweezers. These tweezers are sharp and should be used with extreme caution. They should be used to remove glass in hard-to-reach places. In the bottom pouch, we first have the anti-static wrist strap. This should always be used while working on a device. Make sure the wrist strap is snug on your wrist and pull to tighten it. For grounding to the anti-static mat, connect the grounding wire to the anti-static mat and slide the circular end of the wire onto the ground of an AC power cable. To ground yourself, remove the alligator clip and insert the plug into the ground connector on the anti-static mat. The alligator clip can also be used by clipping it to the grounded surface. Next, we have the suction cup. This is used to lift screens on the iPhone 5 series and newer. The guitar pick is used to release clips on Samsung Galaxy devices. First, we have the plastic spudger. This tool is used for disconnecting flex cables. The flat end is used for wider cables, and the pointed end is used to disconnect and align cables in hard-to-reach places. The plastic spudger can wear out over time, and contact your store support team for a replacement. Next, we have three metal spudgers. This metal spudger is used to pry glued displays such as Galaxy devices and iPad digitizers. The other two metal spudgers are pointed and should be used with extreme caution. They can be used to release iPad digitizers and to pry batteries out of Apple devices. The ruler is used to measure screw lengths. In the final area, we have the screwdriver set. The screwdriver should be used without the extension. Using the extension can lead to strip screws. The four bits that will be used are the 1mm Phillips bit, the 1.5mm Phillips bit for bigger or strip screws, the 0.8mm pentalobe bit, which is used for removing iPhone bottom screws, and the 2mm flathead bit for removing standoff screws. If you cannot pick up a screw with the screwdriver, use the magnetizer by moving the screwdriver in a circular motion in the positive side of the magnetizer. When using the screwdriver, pick up the screw with the tip and align. When tightening screws, assure the screwdriver remains vertical and not angled. Only tighten screws until you feel resistance and they are snug. Using the screwdriver as described will prevent stripping of screws and the wearing down of the screwdriver bits. Always use safety glasses to protect your eyes from any glass shaken free during the repair. use the heat gun on the lower setting to heat glued displays such as Galaxy screens and iPad digitizers. The Precision .8 pentalobe screwdriver is used to remove the bottom iPhone screws. The Precision 1.5 Phillips screwdriver is used to remove Phillips screws inside the device. The Precision 2.0 flathead screwdriver is used to remove standoff screws. Do not use it as a prying tool or to disconnect flex cables. If the Werx Tool Kit is not used as described in this video, damage to the device can occur, such as cut flex cables, punctured batteries, components broken off of logic boards, or damaged displays. Please contact Werx for any additional assistance or questions that you may have in regards to the Werx Tool Kit.